Our topic is Helminthic disease in common disease in human beings, human health and disease. Already we have studied about the Protozoan disease, bacterial disease and viral disease and fungal disease also. And now we are going to discuss about the Helminthic disease. So the Helminthic disease means this disease was caused by Helminthus. That is, Helminthus means by worms. This Helminthus, that is, they lived as endoparasite. That is, endoparasite means they live inside the host body. Host body. So endo means lives inside the host body. It may be animal or human being. Parasite means it causes disease to the host organism. So where it lives? It lives in the gut. So gut means the tube which passes the food to the stomach, from stomach to the other parts, and you can think it as the tube which is around, or the tube which is around the stomach region, that is called gut, and the blood of the human beings, and causes disease called Helminthiasis. So the Helminthus worms, that is the Helminthus, causes disease in human beings. It is called as Helminthiasis. So two most prevalent Helminthic disease. So the most prevalent Helminthic diseases Ascariasis and Filariasis. These are the two most prevalent Helminthic disease we are going to discuss in this class. Ascariasis. It is a monogenic parasite. So we have discussed about the previous infant, that is in malaria, it is a digenic. So digenic means two host, but here it is monogenic. Monogenic means single, that is single host. Okay, and they are sexually dimorphism. So sexual dimorphism means the presence of male and female. Okay, male and female worms are here. You can see the male one is shorter than the female one. So you can identify like this, and the end of the male, that is the end point, was highly coiled here in the male but not here in the female. So this is the dimorphism between male Ascaris and the female Ascaris. That's why they say it as sexually dimorphism. So Ascariasis is the disease that is caused by the intestinal endoparasite Ascaris lumbricoides. So the Ascariasis is a disease that is caused by the roundworm that is Ascaris lumbricoides, which lives in the intestine of the human being, endoparasite. So how it is transmitted? It is transmitted to the injection of embryonated eggs through the contaminated food and water. So the transmission takes place through the contaminated food and water where the embryonated eggs are injected on it. So the children's playing in the contaminated soil, okay, contaminated soil has a chance of transferring the eggs through hands. So what they do? They go and play in the mud where the contaminated, that is this embryonated eggs are seen in the place. The children that doesn't know, they will keep the hands in the mouth. Due to that, it enters into the children's body. Okay. So symptoms. So what are the symptoms? So what will happen? Severe stomach pain, that is abdominal pain is there. Vomiting will occur, headache, anemia, irritability, diarrhea. So these are the symptoms. Abdominal pain will be there. Vomiting is also there. Headache will cause, because if there is any problem in the stomach, the first thing was the headache. Okay. And anemia, that is the hemoglobin level will be less. And irritability, that is irritation, that is because of the stomach pain and you got irritated, like that. Diarrhea. Okay. So heavy infection. Heavy infection means nutritional deficiency. So if the infection is severe, nutritional deficiency. Due to you cannot able to take the food, no. So due to these problems, above symptoms. So nutritional deficiency is there. Severe abdominal pain. So the abdominal pain will there. In children, stunted growth. The growth is not seen. Okay. Due to this. So the causes, it may also cause this Ascariasis also cause, that is Ascaris lumbricoides as an endoparasite also cause enteritis. Enteritis means the enteritis, that is it deals with the abdominal like gastritis, like that problem. Hepatitis and bronchitis can also occur due to this infection if the infection becomes severe. So this is the roundworm, Ascaris lumbricoides, male and female. And next we move on to Filariasis. So filariasis is caused by Oucheria brandcrophyte, that is filarial worm. And where it is seen means it is seen in the lymph vessels. So it is found in the lymph vessels and the lymph nodes of the man. So it live inside the man, that too in the lymph vessels and the lymph nodes. Oucheria brandcrophyte. It is sexually dimorphism, that is like Ascaris, it is also sexually dimorphism. One only, the filarial worm is sexually dimorphism. Okay. Dimorphism, viviparous and digenic. So it need two hosts. So viviparous means, oviparous, you know, viviparous means giving birth to young ones, like that. Wait. So viviparous means giving birth to the young ones. Okay. So giving birth to the young ones. And digenic, you know very well, that is two host is here used. One host is man and another host is Culex mosquito, that to the female Culex mosquito. Okay. So digenic means two host organisms are used. One is man and another one is female Culex mosquito to complete the life cycle. And the female filarial worm. So this worm gives rise to the juveniles, that is the small larval like structure, which is called microfilarial larva. So this is a microfilarial larva, that is the female filarial worm gives rise to the juveniles, like that is because it is viviparous, giving birth to the young ones. Okay. So this female filarial worm gives rise to the juvenile worm, which is called microfilarial larva. So the larval stage we have to say it as microfilaria larva. If the nymph glands, in the lymph glands, the juvenile developed into the adult. So where it develops, so the female filarial worm gives rise to that is juveniles, that is called microfilarial larva, and the lymph glands, that is where in the lymph glands this microfilarial larva developed into adult. So the accumulation of worms block the lymphatic system, resulting in the inflammation of the lymph nodes. So this the worms accumulated here in the region, that is in the lymphatic system, in the lymph nodes. So due to that it cannot able to, that is normally it cannot able to move off. Due to that the swelling will, that is inflammation means the swelling occurs in the leg region. Okay. So in some cases obstruction of lymph vessels causes elephantiasis or filariasis of the limbs, scrotum and mammary glands. So due to that accumulation it causes elephantiasis, that is elephantiasis means elephant leg we will say, or elephantiasis or filariasis. And due to the accumulation of the liquid, that is it is seen in the limbs, scrotum and mammary glands. So this is the diagram of filarial worm and the filarial disease. Okay. Hope you understand the topic. If you have any doubts, post your doubts in the comment box. If you want to watch the video in Tamil, I had given the link in the description box. You can go and watch it. Give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel.